Hi everyone. I've got these crystal heart crystal hearts that I'm going to make earrings out of. We'll be using what are these? Needle nose pliers with no teeth on the inside. Flush cutters and round nose pliers and ball head pins. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to take a heart, and then this wire is small enough that it'll go through these pearls because they have got the tiniest little holes. So if you're going to use pearls, make sure that your wire will fit. Usually 24 gauge will fit. Sometimes 22 gauge will fit. It just depends. And that's what it's going to look like. My wire's a little wobbly. I do about as good. Put a crystal on. Our pearl. Our spacer. Our other crystal. I love that color. And I'm not a pink kind of girl. Or red. But I like that one. Sort of looks fiery red. I don't know. With a little orange and sort of looks like our hacienda thread we use, but a little bit darker. That's what it's going to look like now. What you do is you brace the bottom of it with your finger, and then you're going to allow for your wrap, bend it back, go around, go around. And since we don't have much of a tail left here, I've got some gold wires that are so stiff that you can't get it to go around, but this one must be a softer wire. And I've got some gold wires that don't want to, after you get to a certain point, it don't want to go. This one seems to be softer than the other. Sometimes you just have to use two. Alright, we got it. Now, make the next one. Hold it where it's at the bottom. Twist it back. Allow for your wrap. Around. Getting kind of close there. Probably need to hold it this way. Okay. Now, we're going to take our ear wires, our ear wires, and you hold it like that, and you'll twist it. And I always try to make them look the same, so if the wrap's here at the front, instead of that way, I'm going to put it on that way. And I'll put the second one on the same way. I don't know that it makes a difference, but if you're using bigger wire, it might show up better. You might be able to tell there's a difference there. Twist it. Find your front. That would be my front right here. Thanks for watching. Just a simple idea that you can do. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and thanks for all of you sticking to the end. I really appreciate it. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.